This is a room tour of room 1255 at the Sheraton Anchorage Hotel. And why don't we take a quick peek out here? You can see what it looks like. Okay, let's start with the bathroom. We have a nice size makeup mirror, some toiletries, and if you want the brand, there's the brand. We do have power outlets for regular power. And we have a good sized shower, more toiletries, and the dreaded shower curtain. Oh no. And of course, we have a nice handle there, so you can grab onto it if you're gonna fall. So maybe you won't fall. The closet is good sized. It has iron and ironing board. There's a luggage rack here. It's pretty dark. And then these doors slide. They're fairly heavy though, so you kind of gotta manhandle them, so to speak. Woman handle them? I don't know. Anyway, we have laundry facilities, we have a robe, and we have a fair amount of hangers. Okay, so over here you have a nice ottoman. You can either sit on it or put things on it, I suppose. The bed is nice, it looks comfy. The end tables are quite nice because they have lamps, which on both sides they have regular power and USB-A. And the same thing over here. So you have plenty of power at the end table. You have a drawer. It's fairly shallow and all the way down, and then of course it's a cubby basically, so you can put things there. Over here we have this lovely credenza with 3 shelves. This has an iced chest and cups. We have a little cubby here. We have the cooler in here, which is actually pretty cool. Even has a freezer area. We have some pretty deep drawers, 3 of them. And over here we have the desk area, which is got a coffee machine, a couple of waters, which I'm sure are not free, and fixings for coffee. And the power situation is kind of unusual. They've got 2 power here, they've got another power there, and then 2 USB-A there. Let's see, the lamp does not seem to have any power. There is a little document drawer that's quite shallow, and a chair, of course, 2 trash cans, and we have an interesting looking end table, and then we have a match to the other end table with the power on both sides of that lamp. We have another standing lamp, and then we have the chair. And here we have, let's see, what are we looking over? Where is it open? Here's it open. There we have Anchorage. Okay, so that is it for our room tour of the Sheraton in downtown Anchorage, room 1255. Solo Sue signing off.